Flat bench barbell press. This is a compound exercise primarily target the chest, shoulder and tricep muscle. In this you have to perform laying on a flat bench with barbell while pressing the barbell upward, squeeze the chest muscle. It excellent for overall chest development, strength and muscle mass. To avoid injury, maintaining correct form. If you want, you can also do this with dumbbell. Decline bench barbell press. This is an excellent exercise to increase the size of the lower chest and to reduce the fat of the lower chest and make it in a good shape. This is a similar to flat bench barbell press, but you have to perform it by setting the bench on decline log. With control form, squeeze the lower chest muscle as you press the barbell up and stretch the lower chest muscle as you bring it down. Incline bench dumbbell press. In this, the bench has to be set on incline log. This exercise target the upper chest muscle. It helps create a well-rounded chest and increase the size of the upper chest. You can stretch your chest muscle more with dumbbell than with barbell. In this, when you bring the dumbbell upward, squeeze the upper chest muscle. Flat bench dumbbell fly. For this isolation exercise, lean down on a flat bench and stretch your chest muscle while opening your arms in controlled manner. In a flying position, it mainly targets the outer area of the chest, helping to develop broader chest and increase muscle definition. Highest to low cable fly. Cable fly allow constant tension on the chest muscle throughout the movement. You have to do this by standing in middle of cross cable machine. Starting highest to pull the cable downward, target the upper chest muscle. In this you have to mostly stretch the chest muscle. Low to highest cable fly. Similar to the highest to low variation, in this exercise start the cable low to pull them upward. In this, when you pull the cable from bottom to top, squeeze the lower chest muscle and take the cable with form to the starting position. It makes lower chest muscle wider and in a better shape.